It's a bird's life. Birds are truly fascinating animals. There are about 10,000 types of birds in the world. Different types live in different places. You can see birds in forests, at the top of mountains, in our gardens, or near water. They can live in warm places or in freezing cold places. Some birds come out during the day, while others come out at night. Most birds can fly, but some can't. There are birds that can swim too. Birds have different diets. Some birds eat seeds and nuts, while others eat insects. Some bigger birds eat small animals like fish, rodents, and even other birds. Let's take a look at some unique birds. Do you know what makes them special? This is an owl. It comes out at night. It hunts small animals at night. It's got large wings and big claws that it uses to catch its prey. This is a hawk. It is also a bird of prey. It is a daytime hunter. What about this bird? It is very big and it can run very fast. But it can't fly. It's an ostrich. These are penguins. They live in Antarctica, where it is freezing cold. They are fantastic swimmers and they eat fish. Penguins can't fly either. What about this bird? It's a kiwi. It's the national animal of New Zealand. This bird also doesn't fly. It can't run fast or swim either. They usually live in forests and come out at night when it's safe from predators. What other birds do you know? What birds can you see every day? What's the strangest type of bird in your country?